I just reorganized my drawings, and this video is one part of the 3 videos showing 3 different binders I used to file my tiles. This binder is a collection of my drawings. In the beginning you could see the step outs of my tangles, followed by some vision cards that I created years ago. All the other drawings are connected to video-on-demand workshops that I published on my website or some that I taught at various events. They demonstrate different techniques, supplies, designs, and offer tips and tricks that can help any tangler enhance their skills and hopefully find more joy in their creative work. I hope that these videos might inspire some of you to apply a similar method to file your own drawings.